Introduction to Technical Analysis, Charts and Indicators. Welcome to the world of technical analysis. If you've ever wondered how traders predict price movements and make informed trading decisions, this lesson is for you. Today, we'll break down the key charts and indicators that can help you analyze market trends and develop a winning strategy. Let's dive in. What is technical analysis? Technical analysis is all about studying historical price data and using indicators to forecast future price movements. Unlike fundamental analysis, which looks at an asset's intrinsic value, technical analysis focuses on trends, patterns, and price action. Why use technical analysis? Identify profitable entry and exit points, spot trends and reversals early. Develop a structured, data-driven trading strategy. Now let's explore the different types of charts traders use. Basic chart types. Charts are the foundation of technical analysis. Here are the three main types. Line charts, simple, showing only closing prices over time. Great for spotting long-term trends. Bar charts displays open, high, low, and close prices, giving a more detailed view of market movements. Candlestick charts, the most popular. Each candlestick represents a time period, showing market sentiment and potential reversals. Now let's introduce key technical indicators that help traders make informed decisions. Key technical indicators. Technical indicators help confirm market trends. Here are the three most important ones. Moving averages, SMA and EMA. Smooths out price action to highlight trends. SMA, simple moving average, averages price over time. EMA, exponential moving average, puts more weight on recent prices for faster trend detection. Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures momentum on a scale from 0 to 100. Above 70 equals sign overbought, possible price drop. Below 30 equals sign oversold, possible price rise. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, identifies trend strength and direction. MACD line crossing above the signal line, equal sign bullish trend. MACD line crossing below the signal line, equal sign bearish trend. Next, let's learn how to combine charts and indicators effectively. Combining charts and indicators. Using one indicator isn't enough. The best traders combine multiple indicators to confirm signals and avoid false breakouts. Example. Strategy. If a candlestick pattern suggests a price reversal, confirm it with RSI and MACD before entering a trade. Another approach. Use moving averages to identify a trend, then apply RSI to find the best entry points. By combining different tools, you make better data-backed trading decisions. Action plan for the week. Ready to apply what you've learned? Here's your weekly action plan. Learn chart basics. Practice reading line, bar, and candlestick charts. Study indicators. Focus on moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Use charting software. Try TradingView to apply these indicators in real time. Identify patterns. Look for common candlestick formations like doji, engulfing, and hammer. Combine strategies. Experiment with using multiple indicators for better accuracy. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in analyzing charts. Technical analysis is a powerful tool that helps traders make informed, strategic decisions instead of guessing. By mastering charts and indicators, you'll gain a major edge in crypto trading. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, subscribe and turn on notifications for more expert crypto insights. See you in the next lesson.